Namaste. In this lecture we are going to write the programs, rather a single program that will be using some tags, JSP tags. Go to the web content folder, press the right mouse button. We are using the same project, name of which was sample project. So after going to web content, press right mouse button, go to new, then new file. Give the name of the file, like I am going to give the name like JSP tags.jsp. Click on finish. Okay, now I am going to write the code. So I am going to start with with HTML tag, then body tag. Okay. Then let me have this. This is going to be the comment tag, in which I am going to give the message, the comment. Following is the declaration tag. So this is the comment, because below it I am going to write some code which is related with declaration. So this is the declaration tag. As I have told you, declaration tag starts with the angular bracket, percentage symbol, and then exclamation symbol. So here I have declared a variable called emp_name and assigned it the value Patrick. Another int variable num, assigned it with the value 100. Okay, now I am going to define a method, that is a function, int addition, int a, int b. So I am going to write int c is equal to a plus b. C is going to contain the sum of a and b. Then I am going to return c. So this is end of our declaration tag. So you can see this whole thing, this is under the declaration tag. We have declared two variables and one function. Okay, now I am again going to use the comment tag. As you know, comment tag starts with angular bracket, percentage, hyphen, and the comment is following is the expression tag. So I have closed the comment tag. Now I am going to write down the expression tag. As you know, in the expression tag, we people are supposed to evaluate some expressions to get some results. So I have written percentile is equal to emp_name. So the value of the variable emp_name will be printed, which is Patrick in this case. I have written percentile is equal to num, value of num, which is 100, will be printed. And here I am calling the function addition. So I will be writing like percentile is equal to addition, 1000, 2000 are the passing arguments. So the control will go to the addition function, which is defined in the declaration tag. So this whole thing is expression tag. This whole one is our expression tag. We have written three expression tags. So the first will print the value of emp name, second num, and third will call the function addition. Now we are going to execute this program. Yes, this is the result, Patrick 100 and 3000. Patrick is the value of emp_name, 100 is the value of num, and 3000 was the value returned by the function addition. So in order to print the output properly, you can give some messages also. Output is colon. In front of this, the output returned by addition function will be printed. Employee name colon, employee name will be printed. Value of num colon. So this is a better way to print the output, because it will be clearer to the user. Run on server. Yes, this is employee name, but the value of num is an output is 3000. And now suppose you want to print all these individual outputs on different lines. So you can use this HTML tag br. BR, as you know, is for break line. It will switch the control to the next line. Run as, run on server. Yes, this is the output. Employee name, Patrick, value of num, they are being printed on the different lines. So this is the whole program that is using your comment tag, declaration tag and expression tag. In the next lecture we will be learning about scriptlet tag.